Yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. I hope you guys are having a good day today, and hopefully you have a little better one after enjoying this video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing $200 worth of Supreme, and I might throw in an extra package in there. I have 3 so far. I'm looking around to see if I got another package that I still haven't opened. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe down below. I honestly appreciate each and every one of you, because without you guys, this wouldn't even really be a channel. So thank you guys for tuning in each and every single day. That shit means a lot, honestly. And with all that out the way, let's get straight into this video. So here are the 3 packages. The first one I opened already, so this will be the first one I show you. And then these 2 packages I still been waiting to open. I'm gonna show you guys these, and you already know. We'll get straight up out of here. So in this first package, first we got 2 box logos, which is the norm already. Then we got this beanie that has a little small box logo on it. I honestly feel like this will be a really dope hat when it comes to winter time, fall time. This is just a really vibey hat. I'm not gonna be wearing it now, but shit, if it's a cold summer night, I might throw this on and just chill with it. I don't really feel the need to open it because it's the same shit inside the bag or out, but really clean. Got that box on there. I might do a legit check on these because they do drop a lot of these, and I feel like it's something that goes unnoticed, but a lot of people may end up with fakes and they don't even know this shit. But first piece was the over-dyed ribbed beanie. This was a really clean pickup. I wish I would have got the mustard, but that's another story. Here we got the second package. Ooh. This is not what I thought it was, but okay. So in here, boom, we got a Palace tee. This is from a couple weeks back, honestly. Hold up, let me see if I got any stickers. Bro, what's good with Palace? They don't never send me a sticker in this bit. Bro, you paying 60 for a shirt, they don't even send you a sticker. What is you on? But anyways, here we got the Palace Couture tee. I'm gonna take it out the bag for you guys, but I did get the duck egg blue colorway. I believe that this was one of the best colorways. This one and that coral they had, those were definitely the best colors. I like the details when it comes to the bag of Palace, because they do give you this for every tee, which is honestly dope. So boom, here we got the Palace Couture tee. What the fuck? Here we got the Means Couture tee. This one's pretty sick in my opinion. You can't really tell what color until I back up, then you could kind of see the colorway. It's just a simple summer tee, which I'ma definitely be using, and the quality on Palace is A1 day 1 steak sauce. You already know what it is. This shit is cozy. The color is sick. I like the fact that the font is not like an actual screen print. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's actually like a little bit elevated, and it kind of feels like a soft suede or Chanel type thing. And the last package I got for you guys today is gonna be this Supreme package, hopefully, because I thought that one was. Yeah, so this one is a Supreme package, and by the shape of it, I could already tell what's in here. We got one of these, and we got the MLK sticker as well. We didn't get the pin, which actually sucks. I hope that I got it when I got the MLK tee. I'm honestly looking for that package, but that's neither here nor there. Here we got the small pouch, which is really sick. This one you can't fit like a phone in, unless you got like an iPhone 4 or some shit. This one is more so for money, keys, and small things like that. As far as this one goes, I feel like this one you could definitely fit a phone in. I'm gonna get my phone and try to show you like a little example. So boom, I feel like you could definitely fit a phone in here. I have an iPhone X, as you can see, and I feel like you could fit it in here, like boom. You should definitely be good for a phone. These are actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to you, these are actually pretty dope. I feel like these will go up in value as time goes on, but right now with Supreme, you honestly don't ever know. I feel like through time, these will definitely go up though. You can see the size difference right here. I honestly wish I would have got the big one in red and the small one in black, but hey, either way it's the same shit. I feel like both of these will go up in value. That's just my thought and opinion. Here you go, the little size difference right there. This one is puny compared to the other one. Really dope pieces. These you could tighten on the back, so you could put your stuff in there, roll it down, and then just tighten it, I guess. So for package number 2, we got the seal line pouches. Both of these are really sick. I'm glad I got 2 different colorways. My bad, my camera decided to cut off for some reason. I went and got another memory card and we're right back at it. I only had 3 packages for you guys, so I decided to go ahead and grab a pickup that I never showed you guys. This isn't Supreme or anything like that, but it is BBC, and I actually do like this piece. Like, the colorway on this is like a weirdish bluish purplish hue to it. On the back we got Billionaire Boys Club right there. I just like the futuristic vibe on it. The color on it is really sick too. Couldn't go wrong with it. Now when it comes to BBC, you do have to size 1 in my opinion, because this is a Japanese brand, so they run a little bit smaller. Actually, I don't even know if it's BBC. It's one of the brands that I buy that you guys don't know about. I might be getting it mixed up, but this is a dope piece. And that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. What was your favorite piece that I picked up today? Leave it in the comments. Also, people, send me your fit pics to my DM, because I'm really trying to start this new series of fits of the week. I'm gonna try to do that all throughout the summer, so make sure we get this started and let's start killing this shit. So with all that out the way, leave a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content like this, enter the Gleam link for a giveaway. It's gonna be done in like a week. And with all that out the way, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.